All right, you guys, I'm super excited because I've got a Temu haul for you again today. Now, these are not a lot of items, but if you're looking for that last minute holiday gift, if you're looking for something just for yourself, these are some great items, and these are very, very stylish items. I'm actually very impressed with everything that I got. Now, let's grab this bag to begin with. This is kind of like a shaving bag, right? Could be a makeup kit for you ladies, but how beautiful. Look at that studded detail on it. First of all, that is absolutely gorgeous. I love the handle that's here. It also does have a small pocket here on the back that's got a snap closure, which is great. I took all the stuffing and everything out on the inside, but you can see it's a very, very generous size in there. And there's also a small little zipper pocket in there. This is fantastic, y'all. This is great. It feels incredible. I don't think it's leather, but it feels incredible. And this high-end kind of studded detail here, this is great. I'm super, super impressed with this. It does also have this pocket in the front here, so you can put a lot of different things in it. Now, I like to use these types of bags, obviously, for shaving supplies and things like that when I travel, but I also like to use these types of bags whenever I am, like maybe I have one bag that's dedicated just to medication. Maybe I've got one bag that's dedicated to just kind of all the cords for my electronics. This would probably be a bag that I would put inside of my carry-on, and I would have kind of like those immediate things in there, right? Some medication, just in case my bags get lost. Maybe I don't know, a toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that. Just very quick kind of grab and go things. This is pretty stylish though. I might have to put even jewelry and different things in here, but how beautiful is that? This was available in a couple different colors. And again, everything is going to be linked down in the description box below. So definitely check that out. The prices, they're always going to change. So I'm not going to tell you the pricing on any of these, but again, check the link down below. And there are always all kinds of great incentives and everything. So how beautiful. I'm obsessed. All right, now this is another bag. Have not seen this one yet. Didn't open this one all the way yet, but I'm already digging it. It's kind of an oversized. Let me go ahead and get this open all the way. This is kind of like an oversized, like a fanny pack, except for it's not a fanny pack. And I don't know how to adjust it. There we go. But it's kind of designed to be like, okay, we're gonna play around with that, but it's kind of designed to be like now obviously this looks ridiculous because I'm not getting this correctly, but you can make the adjustments here. James, my mom is going, James, what are you doing, James? But all right, that's better. And then this also kind of does the same type of thing. But then when you get it wide enough, the idea here is that you carry it kind of around, your back, kind of like this. Now, whenever I'm like internationally traveling, I always make sure that my bag is on the front side. Now, speaking of the front side, wow. Let's look at this detail. Look at that kind of checkerboard pattern there. This is also kind of like it's not suede, but it definitely has that sueded kind of sueded, just made up that word, a sueded kind of material. It's got a great pocket in the front, which is perfect for like your passport, your wallet. Again, when you're carrying these things, obviously make sure you've got your bag secured. And then it's got a generous bag at the top, or generous pocket at the top. Also, what I really like about this, and I just noticed this, you've got some pockets on the inside as well, and they're mesh, so you can see exactly what is in there. Let me show you this by sticking my hand in here. I think it was already open. Yeah, look at that. So you can see exactly what's in there. This is great. I don't really carry a lot of black bags, or at least I haven't in a while. And so I wanted something that still looked stylish, that I could carry on the plane when I travel, and something that would hold, honestly, I think, I have my laptop right here. I kind of think my laptop would actually fit in here. Y'all, this fits in here, and I still have room. My laptop is in there. Like, that's crazy. I have my laptop in there. You can see there's still a lot of room in this bag. This is fantastic. I didn't even think about putting my bag in here when I ordered that, but there's plenty of room in there for my charging cable, for a notebook, a pen. You've got the front pocket for like passport or wallet or anything like that, breath mints, you know, gum. And then I've still got room to expand this and sling this over my shoulder. And I mean, I'm pretty impressed. So, all right, this next one is just fun. I did get this for myself because it's a 4-piece set. It's a ring set. And I wanted to be able to just kind of have some fun, honestly. But looking at it now, I'm probably not going to wear this all the time. But check out this 4-piece set. Now, again, everything is linked in the description box. You've got some clearer pictures on screen. But you get 4 different rings with this set. Now, yes, this is probably a little more feminine, especially some of them. But some of the bands could actually really be, you know, wear whatever you want, honestly. So you've got this band first. It's kind of this enamel band, which is really pretty. I wear size 10, by the way. And then you've got this very simple kind of stone band here, which again is kind of simple. I know that's hard to see. And then this one, I really did like that particular band because it's got stones kind of all the way around it. And then I thought this one was really sweet. I may actually have to reorder this set for my mama, but look at that. It's like a little bow. And again, it's got the little stones all on either side. This is a great set for 4 pieces. You get 4 pieces again, and you can kind of see what they look like there when they're all kind of stacked together. And, you know, I'd probably wear 2 of these on a regular basis, maybe stack them with some of the other pieces I have. But I like a little bling every once in a while, and I could certainly pull that off. And then even wearing something like that by itself, I'm fine with it. I don't know if you're fine with it, but I'm absolutely fine with it. But look how many rings you've got. I mean, you can have individual rings. So cool. And I believe that this one did come in a couple different metal choices, so you didn't have to stay with the gold if you didn't want to. I believe this one was available in silver. Let me know in the comments. But again, the link is down in the description box below. You can have a lot of fun with that. And I'm just going to keep it on. The next thing. Definitely something for the kitchen. This is a 3-piece set, and kind of blown away by these too. Honestly, I'm really kind of blown away. Now, these are stainless steel cutting boards. So you get this size, which is beautiful in itself. If you have like a engraver of some kind, you could engrave these and give these out as gifts to people. That would be really amazing. So you get that size, and then you also get that size, which is great. Kitchens are so fun, and if you have like fun, just kind of pieces like this, it kind of, you know, just kind of elevates things. You could put food on these. You could have them as like your charcuterie. You've got 3 different sizes. They could just be decor. I really do like this kind of 3-piece set. I think it's very modern looking. I love the shine, of course, on this. And I think that these will be a really nice addition. They're going to be super easy to store, first of all, because obviously they do lay very, very flat. Look at that bling there. And it's a 3-piece set. So maybe you've got a couple kids. You know, maybe you've got teenagers or young adults that just have their first apartment. What a great gift. Like little cutting boards for them that are made out of stainless steel. Now, if they are age appropriate and you want to give them a cocktail shaker, that's a really, really fun size cocktail shaker. Look at that. Now, obviously, we can tell what this looks like, and this is linked in the description box below. This is a cocktail shaker, y'all. Or no, this is like, okay, this is a thermos. This is even better, actually, because I could carry this to work if I wanted to. probably won't, might get in trouble, but why couldn't you use this as a cocktail shaker? Honestly, this is a like a water bottle. You see that it's got the open and close tab here, and all you have to do is just kind of push that, and then you can kind of see it's got the sippy part there, and then this just kind of screws off, so it's got a regular thermos, you know, kind of style. I'm gonna absolutely use this as a cocktail shaker on the bar. I think that this would be amazing sitting on the bar with my other cocktail shakers. It's stainless. I don't know why I couldn't use it for a cocktail shaker. And you know, just make sure that that lid there is intact, and then shake your cocktail and pour it out. But it shapes so cool, and it just looks really fun. I mean, you wouldn't expect to see this on everybody's bar, so why not? Why not have fun with it? And then this other item, I was really surprised about this one. It came in like this, and I was like, And this was something that I have been seeing on the Temu website for quite a while, and it comes with these kind of sticks in here. And you set this up, and I'll show it to you on screen, kind of what it looks like finalized and everything, but it is designed to sit next to your toilet and hold your toilet paper. Now you can see here from the photo on screen how convenient this is, and it obviously holds a lot of paper products in here. What I love about it too is that it's got this kind of window here, this clear PVC window where you can see, and it does have a lid on it as well, and the lid has a reinforcement right here. So you can see that this is going to sit inside of a little rim there, and then once you install your sticks here to kind of keep this upright and sturdy, it's going to hold a lot. I bet this holds a ton of toilet paper, and it's super convenient. It's sitting right next to the toilet, and you've got an easy kind of grab and go. What's, you know, because when you're in those situations, you like to have this close, and this is definitely something that's going to help. Now, this is available also in 3 different colors, I think. And again, everything is going to be linked in the description box below. This has these 4 sticks that come inside of it. They are the same size, so each one just kind of pops into the corner. There are little slits on either side of where these go into, so it's actually very, very easy to figure out. And again, I really like the fact that it has these great, oh wow, it's even got these little tabs on the inside too. It's got this great kind of setup. It's streamlined. It's going to sit right next to your toilet. You can get it in a couple different colors. And again, this is going to be something that you can very, very easily use in your bathroom. And, you know, it looks good. You can kind of hide the stuff, but it's pretty convenient, pretty, you know, obvious. I would say that my favorites are definitely, I love this ring set. I think it's really, really pretty. I'm going to order another set for my mom. It should be here in time for Christmas in theory, because the shipping has been really good with this. And again, that's such a pretty set. And then I'm really obsessed with this bag. To be honest, I'm kind of obsessed with everything. Like, I think I hit it out of the park with these items this time. And then the bag that my laptop can fit in. All right, everything is linked again in the description box below. It's very easy to find all of these items. And then I do have a Temu storefront that's got some of my favorites in there, some of the things that I've shown in the past, some of these new things, and then of course more items to come as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions. And again, everything is linked down in the comments for you below. All right, guys, until next time, bye.